CZAR KAISER.
Hey guys, it's your boy CZAR KAISER, and today I'm going to give a quick review on the new 2020 Ducati Hypermotard 950 RVE. The 950 RVE is a limited edition version of the standard Hypermotard 950. This new model comes equipped with an up and down quickshifter, a USB power socket, tapered aluminum handlebars, and a striking new graphics kit that comes with a red, black, and white color scheme. The hyper graffiti design is inspired by street art and emphasizes the lightness and aggression of the bike. The new Hypermotard 950 RVE delivers pure fun and endless adrenaline. It has a top speed of approximately 176 miles per hour. The 950 RVE comes with a price tag of $14,200, and Ducati will only produce 100 units in North America. There's a lot to learn about this bike, but before we get into that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel for more daily motorcycle news and reviews. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you think about the new Hypermotard 950 RVE, and also give this video a thumbs up if you like it. You can also follow me on Instagram where I post daily motorcycle content, and definitely check out my online store where you could buy some cool motorcycle accessories and apparel. Also, if you like motorcycle commercials, be sure to stick around to the end of this video and watch the official commercial for the new 2020 Ducati Hypermotard 950 RVE. It's an awesome video and it's something you definitely don't want to miss. Alright, so yeah, let's get right back into it. The new 2020 Hypermotard 950 RVE is a fun bike designed to guarantee a high level of excitement and control while riding. The aggressive design of the bike is inspired by graffiti artwork, and in order to make it practical for mass production, Ducati had to create a whole new painting process that employed highly trained workers to get the job done with the highest level of quality. The new 950 RVE weighs 392 pounds and has a compact wheelbase of 58.8 inches. It has a 34.2-inch seat height with twin exhausts under the seat, and on top of that, the seat is flat and tapered to ensure enough movement and allow the rider to touch the ground with ease. This bike has a 14.5-liter fuel tank capacity and a fuel consumption of 5.1 liters for every 100 kilometers. The Hypermotard 950 RVE is powered by a twin-cylinder 937cc liquid-cooled Testostretta engine that puts out 114 horsepower and 96 Nm of torque. It's the perfect engine to offer maximum fun on the racetrack, curvy roads, and city streets. This bike is fuel-injected with full ride-by-wire technology and comes mated to a 6-speed transmission with a slipper clutch. Ergonomics on this bike ensures the rider maximum responsiveness in all conditions. When it comes to electronics, the 950 RVE gets a 4.3-inch full-color TFT display with the Ducati multimedia system. This system allows the user to answer phone calls, send and receive text messages, and also play music via Bluetooth. This bike comes equipped with premium rider aids such as traction control, wheelie control, quick shifter, Bosch cornering ABS, selectable power modes, and 3 riding modes, which are sport, urban, and touring. Suspension on this bike is handled by fully adjustable 45mm inverted Marzocchi forks up front, and at the back is a single-sided aluminum swing arm and a Sachs monoshock with adjustable spring preload and rebound damping. This bike sits on 17-inch Y-shaped 3-spoked wheels equipped with Pirelli Diablo Rosso 3 tires. The braking system is handled by Bosch cornering ABS and 2 320mm discs at the front with Brembo monoblock 4-piston calipers. And at the back is a single 245mm disc with a single piston caliper. The front headlight features a lightweight and very compact design, and at the rear end is an LED light strip that functions as both a rear turn indicator and a stoplight as well. In addition to this, the front LED turn indicators are integrated in the handguards to keep the bike's neat lines uncluttered. So yeah, that's about it for the new 2020 Ducati Hypermotard 950 RVE. Be sure to leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about the bike. Do Do you like the new style and design? Are you a fan of the Hypermotard series? Are you a fan of Ducati motorcycles? Let me know your thoughts down below. I respond to every comment, so definitely let me know down below in the comment section. Also, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel for more daily motorcycle news and reviews. And also give this video a thumbs up if you like it. You can also follow me on Instagram where I post daily motorcycle content. Alright, that's it for now, guys. See you tomorrow. Peace.
CZAR KAISER.